In an experiment, 4 quantities A, B, C and D are measured with percentage error 1%, 2%, 3% and 4% respectively. Quantity P is calculated as P is equal to A cube B square by CD. Then what is the percentage error in P? To determine the percentage error in P, let us analyze this problem step by step. Given the formula for P is equal to A cube B square by CD. And the errors in measurements are percentage error in A is 1%, in B is 2%, in C is 3% and in D is 4%. For a product or division of quantities, the percentage error in P is the sum of the percentage errors of its components, each multiplied by their respective powers. For P is equal to A cube B square by CD, the percentage error in P is given by the sum of error contributed by each quantities. That is nothing but delta P by P into 100 is equal to 3 into delta A by A into 100 plus 2 into delta B by B into 100 plus delta C by C into 100 plus delta D by D into 100. Let us substitute the given errors. On substituting the given percentage errors, we get total percentage error in P as 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 plus 4. And upon simplifying, we get total percentage error in P as 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 14%. So the final answer is option D.